Hi everybody, it's Anne here and welcome back to day number 2 of the Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. Now today we have a beautiful stamp set which is from Stamps by Me, and this is it here, and absolutely beautiful. Love the tree and all the little elements. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what we are going to create with it. Okay, so here we have the lovely stamp set. Now what I've done is I've got a 5x7 card and I have just cut another piece of card just slightly smaller so it creates a sort of little border around. Then I've cut a little green piece of card and another white piece, which this will end up sitting on here like this. So we are going to work on this little square first. So I'm going to take the tree and I'm going to put it on a stamp block, and I'm going to sort of heat emboss the tree on here. So I wipe it over first with an anti-static bag. I've got some Versamark ink and I've got some rose gold embossing powder. So I will ink up the tree with Versamark. And then I'm just going to stamp it roughly in the middle, about there. Hopefully that's enough. Just got a little scrap piece of paper here, and I'm going to take the embossing powder on. That's worked beautifully. So I will quickly heat set this. So there we go, we have our beautiful embossed tree. And then what I'm going to do as well is we have some of these sort of little stars, and I'm just going to do one of them as well. So I've got another little block here and I'm just going to wipe that again just to make sure there's no finger marks. And I'm just going to put that there. Same thing again. Cute little stars there, and I might put another one on as well. Cute little stars, and I'm going to pop another one on. Yeah, we can just kind of pop some sort of off the side of the page a little bit, and then maybe pop one there as well. There we go, so we've got lots of pretty little stars on. I'll quickly heat set this. Okay, there we go. So this is going to go on here. So I'll just get glue for that. So that is going to go on the green. And on the back of this one I am going to pop some foam pads. Ready to stick this one down. Right, so that one's ready to stick, and then I've got the other card here, so this is going to go in the middle just like that, but also we have these lovely little stamps here. Now what I wanted to do was I want to sort of have one here and one in this corner. So I know that that's roughly going to go there. So again, I'm going to wipe this over, put this on my block, I'm going to ink this up twice because, as I said, I'm going to have two. So I know I roughly want one here, and I want one about here. And then again I can put some of the powder on and heat set them two as well. Very pretty. There we go. So I can take, actually what we'll do, yeah, we'll take the foam pads off this because I also want to stamp a sentiment underneath this. So I know I am roughly going to have this about here. Like so, and then I've got some string as well which I am going to tie around here, but before I do that I want to put the sentiment on. I'm just going to use some black ink for that. I'm going to put "This is your year" to sparkle. That can go underneath there. Do it again actually. There we go, "This is your year" to sparkle. And obviously this will go on the front of our card. Hopefully I can still get some string around. I will just get some tape. So I've just got some red liner tape. I know I roughly want it about roughly here. And then again I'm going to pop foam pads on the back of here. we will attach this to our card. So there we go. That is so pretty with the copper embossing. So yes, there is a little idea for you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, and make sure you tune in tomorrow when we will have day number 3, and I'm sure we will have something great in store again. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.